Hello everyone, today we are going through next question, that is exercise 8.1, ninth question. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y is equal to x square and y is equal to modulus x. Here we have to find the area between the parabola and the line y is equal to modulus x. Okay, so here parabola equation is of the form x square is equal to 4ay, that is parabola towards positive y axis. And what is the graph of modulus x? How to define modulus x? Modulus x is equal to x when x is greater than 0. Modulus x is equal to minus x when x is less than 0. Right? So it is the modulus x graph. Okay. So here we have to find the area between parabola and the line y is equal to modulus x. So here we have to find, this is the region we have to find. Okay. We have to find the area of this region. So here it is enough to find the area of one region, that is one side, because both sides are equal. Okay. So then after that let's multiply by 2 to get the total area. Okay. So here how to find the, let's find this area. Okay. Area of this region. But here we cannot find this area directly. So what to do is, okay, first of all let's find the intersection point, this one. That is intersection point of this line and the curve. Okay, that is, this line is nothing but, we know that this section in this side, here x values are positive, right? In first quadrant x values are, x coordinates are positive, right? So here the positive means x greater than 0. Therefore this line is nothing but y is equal to x. Okay, what is this line? Y is equal to minus x, because this side all x values are negative. Okay, that is when x less than 0, y is equal to minus x. Modulus x is equal to minus x, that is y is equal to minus x. Okay, let's find this point. So what is the point? So y is equal to x, and what is this line? This curve, that is parabola y is equal to x square. So solving these two equations we will get the values of x and y. Y is equal to x square, y is equal to x. That implies x is equal to x square, that implies x minus x square is equal to 0. X into 1 minus x is equal to 0, that implies x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. Okay, this point. Here x is not equal to 0, right? Here x is not equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, y is also 0, right? So here x is not equal to 0, then what is the value of x? Here 1. Okay, x is equal to 1. Then what about y? Y is also 1, because y is equal to x. So this point is nothing but 1 minus 1. So what about here? Here y minus 1, 1. Okay, let's find the area of only this side. After that we will multiply by 2 to get the total area. Okay. So here to find this area, see here directly we cannot find. Okay. So for that we will find the total area, that means this area. See carefully, here we will find this area, okay, minus this area, that is this part. Okay, first of all we will find this area, that is under this line. Okay, then subtract it from the, subtract this area, okay, from the total area. Okay, that is under this curve. Okay, so here it is 1, 1, right? So what is this one? 1, 0, right? This point is nothing but 1, 0. Okay, so here this, it is the origin 0, 0. So how to find it? This area, that is required area, means this area we have to find the total, these two sides, right? Area of this region, right? So here required area is equal to 2 into, we will find this area. Okay, 2 into this area, that is total area. Okay, then 2 into here, this area is equal to total area, that is this triangle area. That means integral 0 to 1, okay, limits 0 to 1. This total area that is under this line, right? So what is the equation? Y is equal to x dx. Okay, this area is nothing but this area under this line, that is y is equal to x, minus, okay, this total area minus this area, we will get this area, right? So here the minus this area is nothing but it is the area under this curve. Okay, under this curve. What is the curve equation? Y is equal to x square. So integral from where to where? 0 to 1. Right? From 0 to 1, y is equal to x square. So x square dx. Okay. Then 2 into integral 0 to 1 x dx minus integral 0 to 1 x square dx. That is the area of this region. Okay, required area. Okay, now let's find. 2 into integral of x is x square by 2 minus here also x cube by 3, limits 0 to 1. Okay, same limits. So we can write together. Okay. So 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Okay. When we substitute lower limit, it will be 0, right? Okay. That is equal to 2 into here 3 minus 2, that is 1. 1 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 3 square units. Okay. So what is the area of the required region? That is area of this region. Total area of this region is 1 by 3 square units. Find the area bounded by the curve x square is equal to 4y and the line x is equal to 4y minus 2. Here also we have to find the area between the curve parabola and the line x is equal to 4y minus 2. The given parabola is of the form x square is equal to 4ay, therefore the parabola towards positive y axis. And the line is, see, it is the line x is equal to 4y minus 2. See, if you are confusing about the line, to draw the line, see, you just take 2-3 points of x and y, then plot the points and draw the line. Okay. So here we have to find the area between this curve and the line, that is this region, right? We have to find the area of this region. Okay. So here also we cannot find the area of this region directly. So what we have to do? See, we will find the area of this region, that is under this line. Okay. First we will find the area of this region minus area of the region under the curve. Okay, this region. So to get the area of this region. Okay, so here for that we have to find the points of this, right? We have to find these points. To find these points, we have to find these points. We can find this point. It is nothing but intersection of this line and the curve, right? So here to get to this point, we have to solve these two equations. That is x square is equal to 4y, x is equal to 4y minus 2. Let's substitute x is equal to 4y minus 2 in first one, that is 4y minus 2 whole square, that is equal to 4y. Expand it, 16y square minus 16y plus 4 is equal to 4y. 16y square, take 4y left side, it will be minus 20y plus 4 is equal to 0. Here 4 is common, we can take it out and cancel, okay. That is 4y square minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0, right. Then we have got a quadratic equation. So to solve this, we will write 4y square, this minus 5 can be written as minus 4y minus 1, right. Minus 4y minus 1 plus 1 minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, right. Then here in these two terms 4y is common, take 4y outside, so 4y into y minus 1. Here let's take minus outside so that we will get minus y minus 1. So minus y minus 1, that is equal to 0. Okay. See, in these two terms y minus 1 is common, take it out, y minus 1 into 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. That implies y is equal to 1 or y is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, now we have to find the values of x, right? So to get the values of x, if we substitute y is equal to 1 in this equation, so that we will get x is equal to 4 into When y is equal to 1, x is equal to 4 into 1, 4 minus 2, that is 2. When y is equal to 1 by 4, x is equal to 1 by 4, 1 minus 2, that is x is equal to minus 1. Okay, so here what are the intersection points? This intersection point, see in this side, values of x are always positive, right? In first quadrant, values of x, that is x coordinate, always positive. In this side, that is x coordinates always negative, right? So here it is nothing but 2, 1. 2, 1. Okay, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. And what about this one? Here this point is nothing but, here x is negative, x is equal to, and the intersection of this line and the curve, right? So here x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so here since it is 2, 2, 1, so this point is nothing but 2, 0. That is x is equal to 2. This length is 2, that means this length is 2, this is 2, right? So it is 2, 0. And here it is 0, 0. And what about this one? Here x is minus 1, so minus 1, 0. Okay, now we have got the limits. Now let's find the area. Required area is equal to, so how to find the area? That is total area, that is area under the line. Okay, area under the line. So what are the limits? First we will write integral minus 1 to 2. Okay, from here to here, minus 1 to 2, area under the line. Okay, area under the line, line is x is equal to 4y minus 2, then what is y? X plus 2 divided by 4, right? X is equal to 4y minus 2, y is x plus 2 by 4, dx minus, it is the total area. We have to find the area of this region, right? That is this region we have to find. So this region is equal to, area of this region is equal to area under the line minus area under the curve, that is area under the curve, this one. Okay, that is integral, same limits, minus 1 to 2, minus 1 to 2, area under the curve. So what is the curve equation? X square is equal to 4y. What is y here? X square by 4 dx. Okay, then that is equal to, let's integrate it. Limits are same, so let's integrate it together. Okay, x plus 2, 1 by 4 is common. Okay, in both 1 by 4 is common. X plus 2, integral of x plus 2 is x plus 2 whole square by 2. Okay, minus, here integral of x square is x cube by 3. Limits minus 1 to 2. That is 1 by 4 into, here substitute x is equal to 2. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 square, 16, 16 by 2, 8, minus, here 2 cube, 8 by 3, minus, when we substitute x is equal to minus 1, it will be 1, 1 square 1, 1 by 2, minus, next it will be minus, okay, sorry, okay, minus of, let's take minus of, because we are going to substitute lower limit, right? Okay, minus of, minus, substitute x is equal to minus 1, that will be minus, so minus minus plus 1 by 3. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 4 into, here 8 minus 8 by 3, then here minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 4 into, here minus 8 by 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 9 by 3. So 8 minus 1 by 2, here we can multiply 8 to 16, 1, that is 15 by 2. 16 minus 1, that is 15. 15 by 2 minus 9 by 3, that is 3. Okay, that is 3. That is equal to, here 15 divided by 8 minus 3 divided by 4, that is equal to 15 minus, multiply 2, so 16, 15 minus 6, that is 9, 9 by 8 square units. Find the area bounded by the curve y square is equal to 4ax and the line x is equal to 3. See here also we have to find the area between the curve and the line x is equal to 3 and the curve is parabola y square is equal to 4ax, that is parabola towards positive x-axis. Okay, so here we have to find the area between this curve and the line. Okay, it is not mentioned in first quadrant, so here we have to find the area of this portion. Okay, so this region. So here it is enough to find the area of this upper part, then we can multiply by 2 to get the total area, right? This part and this part are equal, right? Okay, so we will find the area of this region, then multiply by 2. Okay, so here, so how to find this area? That is, here it is 0, 0, point is 0, 0. Then what is this point? It is the line x is equal to 3, therefore this point is 3, 0. Right? Okay, so here under the curve, area under the curve is parabola, that is y square is equal to 4x. Okay, now required area is equal to 2 into, we will find the area of this one, into 2, that is area of this total region, right? Okay, 2 into integral 0 to 3 area under this curve. Okay, that is 0 to 3, consider x coordinates values, that is 0 to 3, and area under this curve, that is y square is equal to 4x, that means y is equal to root 4x dx. Okay, then 2 into, here root 4 is nothing but 2, so 2 into 2, integral 0 to 3 root x dx. Integral of root x, that is integral of x raised to 1 by 2 is x raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, limits 0 to 3. Okay, so 4 into 2 by 3, 4 into 2 by 3, substitute x is equal to 3, that is 3 raised to 3 by 2 minus 0, okay, that is equal to 4, that is 8 by 3 into, here 3 raised to 3 by 2, that is root 3 whole cube, right? Root 3 whole cube, that is equal to 8 by 3, root 3 whole cube means root 3 times, right? So root 3 2 times 3, that is 3 root 3. Okay, here 3 cancelled. So 8 root 3 square units. So required area, that is area of this total, this region is equal to 8 root 3 square units. Area lying in the first quadrant and bounded by the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 and the lines x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 is dash. Very simple, right? Equation, here we have to find the area between arc of the circle and the line, and here it is mentioned that area lying in the first quadrant, okay, that is this part, okay, we have to find the area of this region, that is between 0 and 2. See, here 2 is nothing but, see, what is the radius? 2, right? So it is the point 2, x is equal to 2, and the line is also x is equal to 2, and it is the point 0, x is equal to 0 is this one, right? Okay, so here we have to find the area under this circle, right? Very simple. So required area is equal to, we have to find the area of the region in first quadrant, only in first quadrant, area between the circle and the line, that is, and in first quadrant, so only this region, okay, that is required area is equal to integral from where to where? 0 to 2, okay, from 0 to 2 under this curve, that is circle, right? So here 0 to 2, y dx, what is y here? Integral 0 to 2, y is, say, x square plus y square is equal to 4. So y square is equal to 4 minus x square. So y is equal to root of 4 minus x square dx. Okay, that is here. This integral is of the type integral of root of a square minus x square. Integral of, that is integral root of a square minus x square is x by 2 root of a square minus x square, that is 4 minus x square, plus a square by 2. What is a square? 4. 4 by 2 sine inverse x by a. X by a is 2. A square is 4. A is 2. Limits 0 to 2. That is, substitute x is equal to 2. That is upper limit. So 2 by 2, 1. Okay, when we substitute x is equal to 2, here first term will be 0. Right? So here 0 plus, then 4 by 2 is 2 sine inverse 2 by 2, 1, minus, next we have to substitute lower limit, that is 0. Okay, here when we substitute x is equal to 0, first term will be 0, and here second term is 2 sine inverse 0 by 2, that is 0. Okay, that is equal to 2 into sine inverse 1. Sine inverse 1 is nothing but pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 is 1. Okay, so pi by 2 minus 0 minus, here sine inverse 0 is 0. Sine 0 is 0. Therefore, this part will be 0. Okay, that is equal to pi. So pi square units. Required area is pi square units. Area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to 4x, y axis, and the line y is equal to 3 is dashed. Here we have to find the area of the region, that is curve between curve and y axis and the line y is equal to 3. Okay, so here the parabola is y square is equal to 4x, that is towards positive x axis, and the line, that is y is equal to 3, and between, see, it is the region we have to find, right? We have to find the area of this region, right? So it is the point y is equal to 3, means here x is 0, so 0, 3. Okay, and it is the point 0, 0. Okay, we have to find the area of this region, right? And we know the values of, that is coordinates 0 to 3. So here we will integrate it with respect to y. Okay, integrating with respect to y, because here, that is this area under this curve, that is curve is y square is equal to 4x. Okay, y square is equal to 4x. So here we will find the area under this curve, that is required area is equal to integral 0 to, that is y coordinate 0 to 3, integral 0 to 3 x dy, right? X dy, integrating with respect to y. Okay, that is equal to integral 0 to 3. What is x here? Y square by 4. Y square by 4 dy. Okay, that is equal to y square, that is 1 by 4 into y square, integral of y square, y cube divided by 3, limits 0 to 3. That is 1 by 4 into 3 cube is 27 divided by 3, that is minus 0. That is equal to 1 by 4 into 9, that is 9 by 4 square units.